Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Transfer news uJanuary kubhizi bafethu ama-player ayamuva. Into engizokhuluma ngayo player le-Kaizer Chiefs uMorris ukuthi kune-chance ukuthi aye ku-Stellenbosch. Umloyisana ama-reports athi usayine i-pre-contract ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Uphuso Dithejani Mamelodi Sundowns seyilid i-race kubonakala ngathi izomsayina. And then i-Pirates ifuna i-replacement and then i-left back but uphinda adlala i-centre back umdlali laphana weMarumo Gallants Mpho Tshabatsane odlale ama-games-ke. And then uMatuludi Sundowns-ke yamfuna but akusi Sundowns kuphela ne-Orlando Pirates. So i-transfer market idominate ama-teams awu-2, i-Orlando Pirates ne-Sundowns. Yibo abantu abakwazi ukusayina ama-big stars, ama-big players, abantu uthola ukuthi besingaba-expect-anga noma ama-big players cause sibonile i-Sundowns ukuthi ede usalenga. Asiqale ngoMorris-ke bafowethu. uMorris ufuna uGavin Hunt. Gavin Hunt befuna same Morris laphana kuDurban City, efuna ukumletha laphana kuDurban City, but uMorris wacela kuKaizer Chiefs ukuthi bafowethu bengicela i-last chance. Ngeke ngayikhuluma indaba yakhona, I think few weeks back ngikhuluma ngoMorris, wacela i-chance. Kaizer Chiefs bekunemeeting, kwaba nemeeting wathiwa Morris bayakufuna kanje nakanje, thina sicabanga ukuthi this would be a great move. Wathi uMorris, no, I wanna stay kuKaizer Chiefs, ngilwela i-opportunity yami. Nabo kuKaizer Chiefs-ke bamvumela ukuthi ahlale uMorris njengoba angadlalanga negame eyodwa this season u-90 minutes. The only time angene laphana ku-culling knockout la ashaya khona just i-penalty waligeja noma ngithi bambamba lelo penalty lelo, but bonakala ngathi kuStelizi ngaba ne-chance ngempela ukuthi amuve to iStellenbosch. Why this move yenza isense ukuthi ajoyine iStellenbosch bafethu ukuthi ngowase-Cape Town, wakhulela vele laphana eCape Town uMorris, so going back to a familiar setting, familiar environment, maybe kunga-revive i-career yakhe, akhumbule isikhathi sakhe salaphana ku-Ajax Cape Town. Record lakhe alikho lihle, to be honest bafethu uMorris. I don't think for me uyi-good striker, but maybe under coach Gavin Hunt angakwazi ukwenza ey'bukwayo awashaya amagoli, but akusi-striker mina engikholelwa kuso bafethu. There's nothing, angiliboni i-quality kuMorris ngempela bafethu. Njengoba ngike ngasho kuma-clip a-previous mengikhuluma ngayo ngithi lo muntu lo una-5 goals in 5 years, then wasayinwa kanjani kuKaizer Chiefs? If bangabuzwa kuKaizer Chiefs ukuthi wasayinwa kanjani, sengike ngachaza ukuthi ukhulele ku-Ajax Cape Town, uThera i-head of law department, i-head of scouting department ka-Kaizer Chiefs isayina ama-player wayo. But let's move away from i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, sobona uMorris ukuthi bazoyiconfirma i-deal nini kanjani. Umloyisane is a big one for i-Kaizer Chiefs. If ngempela bakwazile ukuthola ilo bamthola free, cause of vele ulo umloyisane bekanama-option ayi-2 kuphela bafethu, i-Kaizer Chiefs nelo, because of if angilenzi iphutha ngicela ningi-correct if I'm not right. Umloyisane iplayer le-Sundowns angithi ubuya ku-Sundowns njengoba aya le eCape Town ku-Stellenbosch la i-career yakhe vele ya-change khona, yakhula he took his career to the next level laphana ku-Stellenbosch, but ukukhula kwakhe or i-maturity yakhe ubuyaphi, ubuya laphana ku-Sundowns. Yiyo i-team emkhulisile noma yamenza lo muntu lo awuye, but ukuthi ku-professional setup vele ku-Sundowns azangayitholi i-opportunity that much. That is why ethola bekaya le nale, and then iStellenbosch kwaba ikhaya lakhe, and then wakwazi-ke kuStellenbosch ukukhula, and then waba more matured. iStellenbosch besizama ukum-offer i-2-year contract, but-ke azange ayisayine. Bekungathi ukuthi uyayi-rejecta just bekalokhu ebadileya laphana kuStelizi, bekazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi yena ufuna ukuyodlalela ama-teams waseSoweto, whether i-Pirates or i-Kaizer Chiefs, between the two ama-giants waku-South African football. Njengoba-ke Osaka Beat nabanye abantu bathi usayine i-pre-contract ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Linda i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-announce leyo deal, ukuthi showcase, ngoba banokusilahlekisa laphana abafowethu abama-journalists, but-ke sobona because of abantu aba-relevant, abantu mina abanye engibathembayo bathi yes, i-movie yakhe yakamloyisane ne-Kaizer Chiefs it went through. So kumele sibhilive lokhu abasitshela kona so thina, and sikhumbule ukuthi uyibafana bafana internationally umloyisane. Wait, yes, wadevelopha i-Sundowns and then waya kuma-teams a-different, even ku-National First Division. Khona iplayer-ke la ulona bafethu, Mpho Tshabatsane lo i-defender kuthiwa ufunwa i-Orlando Pirates. Bayabhizi-ke ba-negotiate naye umdlali ukuthi bazame ukumthola ukuthi a-replace uMbokazi. Why a-replace uMbokazi? Because of naye udlala ngo-left, futhi into ebalulekile ukuthi ucoach coach we-Orlando Pirates, so bayamazi straight from iMarumo Gallants le player leli. So akusi-surprise ukuthi bafuna i-player abalaziyo nanokuthi i-player linjani, i-player liphefoma kanjani, i-player lidlala kanjani. So I wouldn't be surprised if bayakwazi ukumthola umfana laphana, because of they've signed a few players from iMarumo Gallants, ama-players agude akwazi ukukhompyutha. Umfana this season udlala amagame ayi-17 for Marumo Gallants and una 23 years. So they're building for the future, not just ukuthi basayine umuntu just nje for manje, they're signing someone for the future. Then ezinye-ke bafethu ey'phumayo ukuthi i-Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates bagijimisa umdlalo oyedwa, Matuludi. Sobona ukuthi ubani ozowina, obani abazowina, ubani ozowina i-race between i-Sundowns ne-Pirates for umdlalo wePolokwane City. uMatuludi is also a Bafana Bafana international, by the way. He went to i-AFCON la angadlalanga negame eyodwa, but yeah, umdlalo ogood masimbheka laphana umdlali, there's greatness kuye uMatuludi. But ni-Sundowns ingayiwina i-race. Why? Because of i-Sundowns if iluza uMudau to i-Orlando Pirates or to any other team, maybe nabo bangafuna ukubhifa up kuleya position leya u-right back. They're still covered ku-Sundowns ku-right back. I don't know why they might push for uMatuludi, but-ke nabo bakhona ekubangeni uMatuludi. But i-Orlando Pirates, as much as ngithi i-Sundowns maybe ne-upper hand, but i-Orlando Pirates nayo ine-advantage because of bane-relationship e-right, abo-coaches laphana. Sengithi o-coach or-chairman, which is i-management ye-Orlando Pirates ne-management yePolokwane City, they've just done i-deal yaka-Oswenapolis. Oswenapolis befunwa i-country yonke namanye ama-teams around the world, but i-Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukuwina lo mdlali lona ofana nowapolice. Umdlali o-impactful, umdlali ohlakaniphe kakhulu, possibly the best player at the moment ku-Betway Premiership or ebholeni lase-South Africa, what they play Oswenapolis. Omunye Orlando Pirates ikhiphe i-post, yes. Orlando Pirates ikhiphe i-post ibonga uSaleng ngesikhathi sakhe asipende laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. But yeah, i-message beyingekho long, it was just nje thank you Saleng. Hayi, uSaleng uyi-legend le-Orlando Pirates. Asikubeke straight lokho bafethu ukucaca ukuthi uyi-legend, uyi-icon. Ama-memories awanika i-Orlando Pirates under uJose Rivero unforgettable. Isikhathi sakaJose Rivero, ama-cup amaningi wakaJose Rivero, uSaleng udlala i-role important kakhulu ukuthi enze uJose. I'm sure uJose Rivero noma lelo uyamkhumbula, uyasho ukuthi lo muntu lo uSaleng washintsha impilo kaJose Rivero. Individual brilliance. Masikhuluma ngomuntu obe ne-impact ku-Orlando Pirates, uSaleng. Sikhuluma nge-real impact la. Amagoli wakhe ubheke ukuthi ushaya amagoli angakanani ezi-wing. Hayi, lo muntu lo yi-superstar. Yabona mekukhulunywa nge-superstar, kukhulunywa ngaye uSaleng. Simfisela inhlanhla naye laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns njengoba i-Orlando Pirates imbongile. Uyabona ukuthi nokumbonga kwakhona, hayi, yeah, ziyakhala. But it is what it is bafowethu, ibhola at the end of the day. Mina I'm just happy ukuthi uSaleng uzothola i-chance ukuthi i-fresh start ukuthi adlalele i-team, a brand new team, big team edlala ku-continental level njalo, egijimisa i-league njalo, i-team e-super ambitious. uSaleng akaze ayiwina i-league. Yes, wawinile ama-cup a-different ne-Orlando Pirates, but i-league akaze ayiwina. Maybe angayiwina ku-Sundowns this year or next year, asazi, because Sundowns every season iyayigijimisa i-league. Njengoba uSaleng kuyi-latest player ukuswitcha from i-Orlando Pirates to i-Sundowns, ithi sibale nje abadlali abafew, mhlawumbe abawu-5 engike ngababona abaswitcha from Orlando Pirates to iMamelodi Sundowns. Ulona Innocent Mdledle, I remember, waswitcha from Pirates to Sundowns. Teko Modise waswitcha, Opamanyisa, Thembinkosi Lorji, manje sokuwuSaleng. And sikhumbuleke bafethu ukuthi i-Sundowns ayisayini nje ama-player we-Pirates just for the sake of ukusayina. Isayina abantu abama-superstars. uTeko Modise, Opamanyisa, captain ye-Orlando Pirates. uTeko Modise bekabuya ku-World Cup then 2011 bebemsayina laphana after ekhulumile naye public ukuthi he could have went maybe overseas. Orlando Pirates beyimblocka laphana. Ukhuluma yena uTeko Modise, akukhulumi mina. noSaleng naye amahemhem athi wablokha i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi angahambi. But-ke asazi because of singa-speculate ku-speculator sizwe ngabanye abantu aba-relevant, but-ke umnikazi wendaba uma engakhulumanga. But uTeko Modise washo ukuthi Orlando Pirates yambhlokha. That is why abadlali bagcine baphelela ku-Sundowns. Why? Because of banikwa imali better than yaku-Orlando Pirates. But Orlando Pirates recruitment policy yabo ngiyayihlonipha. Basayina abadlali obabonayo na ukuthi bagudi labadlali labo. Abanye abadlali singababheka bafethu ukuthi bangamuva to uNdlovu. uNdlovu siyohlezi simenshina welona we-Golden Arrows. I'm sure already khona ama-team azamayo ku-contact i-Golden Arrows ukuthi bamthole lo mdlali lona. Ushaya i-free kick elihle kabi bafowethu against i-team yaku-National First Division njengoba badlala ama-friendly games. Ayi loya mdlali lo yi-player. Yabona uma kukhulunywa nge-player kukhulunywa ngaloya muntu loya bafowethu. What a player, what a superstar. Khona iplayer belidlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uMduduzi Mdantsane. Eyi warelease-wa i-Kaizer Chiefs kwavele kwaphela ngaye bafethu umfowethu. But yeah, kuthiwa uzama laphana ku-third division nkosi yami. Uzama khona ukuthi azame ukuthola i-contract. Sithembe ukuthi izinto zizomhambela kahle laphana ku-third division uMdantsane ukuthi akwazi ukubhilda lese ibhola lakhe again. But ulibhildela to kuphi kanjani? Because of mawubheka iminyaka seyimshayile uMdantsane bafethu. This year uMdantsane uzoba na 32 but still 31. Sobona ngempela ukuthi uzophelelaphi. But isikhathi eside kakhulu bafethu lo mdlali lona enganalokhu njani engana team after i-Kaizer Chiefs imrelease. And before lapho njengoba bamlonela ku-Richards Bay azange ayithole ne-game time. La duma khona kakhulu engaqala ukumbona kuBaroka, but after iBaroka wajoyina i-Cape Town City then i-Kaizer Chiefs yamsayina from i-Cape Town City ngo-2023. Kuye waba kuBafana Bafana that time. I think only one match ayidlala if angilenzi iphutha. But Cape Town City kula wenza izinto zenzeka ngempela, wakwazi ukwashaya amagoli. He became one of the most exciting players ku-South African football, but only for ukuthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs abe ney'nkinga ey'ningi. Aziningi-ke iy'nkinga abhekana nazo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I won't talk about lezo y'nkinga because obvious bafethu zi-personal, right? But yeah, ningi kakhulu iy'nkinga laphana abhekana nazo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yena wayekhosela iy'nkinga lo mdlali lo. Mawubheka basamrate high because of siyamazi ukuthi uyalazi ibhola, but I think ama-personal issues. Udlala i-attacking midfield, uyakwazi nokuba central, but iposition yakhe nje enkulu uku-attack-a nokuba creative. Sithemba ukuthi maybe laphana ku-third division something azoyithola ozokwazi ukubhilda something. Yazi ibhola lishintsha impilo yakho fast, at the same time kuphele fast ngawo. From kuBaroka to i-Cape Town City la ashisa khona kakhulu. Kaizer Chiefs, Richards Bay kulona azange iphele kahle to ukuthi bamrelease ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Eyi siyakhala bafethu. But yeah, maningi ama-transfers esisazokhuluma ngawo bafethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi uJanuary it's not even i-15 January, asikakafiki even halfway. So maningi ama-transfers esisazokhuluma ngawo. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe making sure ukuthi i-page liyakhula. Danko bafethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like. If you wanna comment, you can comment.